I am so excited for today's video. I can't even contain myself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gladys here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are collaborating, guys. It's one of my favorite things to do as a small YouTuber, is to collaborate with other brilliant YouTuber who are doing their things here, bringing you great content. You do not want to skip this video, guys. Stay all the way to the end. It's actually my very favorite part. Let's get into the video. Let's go.
Hey friend, welcome to a quick clip of my channel. Here we are full of motivation, inspiration, and creativity. My channel is a one-stop shop for all of your home decor needs, so I hope you consider subscribing.
Hello my loves, my name is Dede from Dede's Home Interior. I love creating high-end looking spaces on a very tight budget. If that is something that catches your attention, you would love my channel. I hope you love it enough to stay. I love you guys.
As you saw my two friends presenting themselves, you have Tenji Web and you have Didi. Guys, I love their content and I know you are also going to love it. As you see the difference in style, you can love your glam, you can love your modern, you can love your minimalistic and more, and you can enjoy all of our three channels. So this is why I am bringing this collaboration to you guys. Go and show them some love. Now let's get into the video, guys. As you guys can see, I am not only setting the table, I am setting a mood in this house. I really love this garland that I placed on the table, but I also loved it on the mirror. You know what? I am going to keep it for something else. Let's get to decorating. I usually don't set my tables. I love to keep my surfaces clean and nothing on them, but this was a special day. It was actually my daughter's birthday that weekend, and we were going out to go take some pictures, some family pictures, and come in to have dinner. So I really wanted to set the table and create a mood here. And I just realized that, you know, it's not just around the holidays or around fall time that I should set the tables, because the kids loved it so much, and my husband, everybody, we loved it. It was actually, stay tuned guys, it's really beautiful at the end. These plates, guys, you will not even believe where I got these plates from. And there was a friend of mine who saw the plates, and she told me, where did you get these plates? She mentioned Curtain Barrel or something like that, and I told her, no, these plates were actually from the Dollar Tree. I mean, look how pretty they are. You can go all the way out. Not only with this plate, you could have put some bowls, you could have put napkin rings with napkins and do so much here, but I wanted to keep it very whimsical, you know, like a fall movie. You know, when you watch those Christmas and fall movies, how everything felt so cozy. That's how I wanted to keep it, but very clean. Guys, you can create a beautiful home on a budget. Everything that I had on the table here is actually from my home, apart from the plates and the candles. These beautiful candles were also from the Dollar Tree, and they were not only the candles but the candle holders. I loved it. Everything else that I had here, I shopped my fall decor and my regular home decor, which I believe turned out so pretty. Look how everything is turning out. Oh my God, magical. Let's take a quick break and go fill this bag, guys, and grab some pine cones for free. I love these pine cones around the neighborhood. You can literally grab them and forge your own. You don't have to spend any money. And I know you guys loved when I did that in the previous video, so I decided to do it again.
So
There goes the pine cone tree behind me. Literally, I'm surrounded by pine trees. Like the magic of the internet, we are back in the present. I love these pine cones, guys. I use it in my previous video, and you're going to see it again when we decorate the family room. I'm just going to go ahead and put them on the table. Don't they feel like fall? I love it, guys. Let's decorate the family room, guys. The family room has become one of my very favorite part of my house to decorate now, because this is where we spend, should I say, most of our nights, because that's where we watch movies and stuff like that. But remember that garland that I told you about earlier? Well, I decided to place it right here, and oh my god, guys, it looks so pretty. Simplicity at its finest. But not only by itself, I'm going to go ahead and add some picks in there, some fall picks, and I think it's going to turn out so pretty. I hope you're enjoying this video, and the way to show your support for a small YouTuber is to go ahead and click on that like button, because YouTube will go ahead and show the same video to other people. And also, guys, do not forget this video is in collaboration with Tenji Web and Didi Interior, so please go ahead and show them some love when the video is done. The link will be down the description below. You cannot miss it. Let's continue decorating. I wanted to go ahead and set the mood. Guys, if you know me, you know I'm a mood setter. By setting the mood is to go ahead and turn the lights on, put in the TV with the fireplace, and my throw blanket. You know, this throw blanket needs some good washing, because my kids, my family, my husband, everybody enjoys this thick throw blankets, and I believe they're from Threshold, if I'm not mistaken. And let's do one of my favorite things is to decorate my table. It's getting very hard now to do so because I have a little baby. He's a year old, and anything on the table for him is for him to play drums with and God knows what. So when it comes to my little kid, I have to be careful the things that I place on the table. But this so far has stayed, so I am happy.
Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer throwing your throw blankets just on the couch or on your sofa like this, or just placing it on the handle? I prefer it to be on the arm like this. I think it feels more sophisticated, but that's just my preference. Let me know which one you prefer. Guys, let's add the final touches to this table. I really wanted this table to be well lit, so let's go and light up all these 10,000 candles that I have on this table. And guys, stay tuned all the way to the end, guys. I love how everything turned out. This table fire pit has been one of my favorite, not only for this season. I have gotten it, it's been 2 years now, and I've been using it every chance that I get, guys. The warmth and the coziness that it brings into the house. Some of you guys reached out to me that you purchased it, and I do not blame you. How can you not? It's one of the most talked about in my videos and the most clicked on. Guys, let's show you guys how you can subscribe to my friends page. Super easy. And I just want to show you how many content they have out there. If you need a content for each day, you will not be surprised that you will have everything that you need to watch. Do not forget to click on their notification bell. Without you guys showing us support and love, guys, we don't have any content to share. So please don't forget to show my friends some love. I would truly appreciate it. Let them know that Gladys sent you. Guys, I just love the ending of this. It's just so beautiful to me. It's very cozy. I was inspired by Crate and Barrel. I walked in the store and I was like, I can do this with the things I have in my house. And that is all that this is all about. You don't have to decorate with purchasing things all brand new. Grab the things you have in your house and do something with it. You can definitely do that. Well, God bless you guys. I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video. It was my pleasure filming it for you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Bye bye, y'all.